is a road of Nu'uanu. There in the midst of you. Unbelievable waters of Alikoki, like the rains of the uplands, sitting this side of Nu'uanu. I suffered the cold in vain, waiting there for you. I was wrong, perhaps, to assume I am the one that you captivated. You cast, you spell, I suckle. I reserve myself for you at your request. You have the sweet fragrance when I hold you close to me. My thoughts were set in the waters of Kapina. Where I gaze at the beauty of the flowers of Mauna Ala. This is my story. The waters of Alikoki.